This is my Toyota Century, a V12 government-issued Japanese limousine that I bought in 2022 to turn into the ultimate VIP car. It's also my daily driver, which means that it sees a lot of time on the road being driven almost every day, from rock chips to bug guts and even some fiberglass wear. But with the help of STEK USA, we're going to change all that. It is a beautiful Wednesday afternoon, and I get to take the boat. One of my favorite cars ever. The Century, I'm taking it out to a place called Detail Ground out in Orlando. And me and STEK USA, you guys know them. They are like the kings when it comes to PPF and paint protection. And this car has deserved it for a very long time. So myself, STEK, and Detail Ground all got together, and STEK decided to sponsor this car, which is a huge sigh of relief for me to know that this thing's going to be protected. They're going to do the entire front end. So I'm going to head my way out there to Detail Ground right now, and we'll talk more about it when we get there. We have arrived. She's a boat. My apologies, sir. It's a big car. It's big. How you doing, man?
Good.
Good to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You guys, this is Tiago, and he owns Detail Ground out here in Orlando. This place is beautiful, dude.
Thank you.
I love it. Especially what you got going on back behind you there. Brand new GT3 RS. So you guys just did a full STEK job on this?
Yeah, correct. We did the full body PPF on everything, the whole car, tail lights.
I'm out here because Detail Ground was one of the very few places that is an authorized STEK installer near me, and they were the closest. And yeah, we're gonna do an entire front end on the Century, and it's a boat. It's a big car,
Yeah,
but
it's huge.
the paint, thankfully, is in very good condition on
Yeah,
it.
it looks like it's really good.
It did get ceramic coated at one point about a year and a half ago or so. So I don't know if that's something you'll have to deal with, but it's been basically driven every day since then. So there's probably not much left of it.
Yeah, we can take a look how it performs when we are washing the car.
This is
like
still
the way the car arrived.
Yeah, the factory paint. Everything was hand done on these cars back in the day. All the logos and everything were hand engraved, hand body worked and painted, all that stuff. Like I was saying, there's still some plastic on the door sills and stuff. It's in decent shape. How long have you guys been out here?
This location, 4 years.
4 years?
Yeah, we have moved from our previous location.
Okay.
But in business in US for 6 years.
That's awesome. I mean, looking at, when I came in, this is the first thing that I saw, obviously, and I looked this thing up and down, and the lines are beautiful with the PPF work. You barely can even tell that there's anything on this car at all. Yeah,
we try to wrap all edges that are possible. So for example, here you'll not see any edge exposed. It's all wrapped inside the fender, the bump, the hood. Here we removed this plastic cover, so we also wrapped the PPF inside so you don't see.
Okay. But even the places where I can see the trimming, it's so even and uniform. It's like perfect.
Yeah, correct.
That's crazy.
Most of the cuts we do the computer cut. That's why it's so perfect, and we customize all the pre-cuts to be able to wrap as much as we can. Because sometimes, for example, on the roof, the pre-cut stops here on the top, but then your edge is not protected. So we customize the cut and we wrap the PPF inside the rubber seal, so all the edge is protected. So you have the best of both worlds: the precision of the pre-cut, but the coverage that you customize.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, I could not be more excited to finally have the Century protected. I've had this car for almost 3 years now, and I've just been driving it through bugs and all this crap. You guys need to look at my windshield right now. It's just absolutely disgusting. And I just washed this car like 3 days ago, covered in pollen. So unfortunately I had to drop it off to you dirty, man. I'm sorry about that.
No worries.
Hopefully it'll be easy enough to wash. But the front bumper just got repainted about a month ago just because of rock chips. So at least that will be in decent shape. I just wanted to keep this brief real quick. I know Tiago stayed late for me to be able to drop this car off, so I don't want to keep him too late, but I also want to give a huge shout out to STEK for sponsoring this car and helping work with me and Tiago at Detail Ground. Tiago's going to be getting a couple clips while I'm gone because unfortunately I can't be here to watch the entire process happen, but we'll be able to see it happen with some of the clips that he films. And I'm just stoked, man. I'm excited for this.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah. So if you guys are in the need of any protective film for your cars and you want to make your cars last forever, you guys need to get STEK film. I will leave the link in my description. You guys know STEK. We work with them all the time on a lot of builds, and it's just the best.
Yeah, it's the only one we use here, and it's the best.
Yeah.
It's the best in the market. It's really good.
Yeah. Good people, good film. Link is in the description. But I'm gonna head out of here, and I guess we'll watch this happen.
So while the Century's getting PPF'd, I have a little side quest this weekend, and I'm finally getting some more tattoo work done. And I booked this tattoo appointment a year ago, and it's finally time. So today is a full session, full 8-hour session on my arm. We're hopefully gonna finish my entire arm. So I'm very, very excited for that. But I wanna take the Ferrari because the guy who's tattooing me also has a Ferrari, and he's super, super cool dude. In the last video, I drove this car and it started misfiring once I got to the compound. Turns out, when I got home, I ended up unplugging both of my map sensors and took the car out for a drive again, and it felt great. So that tells me one of my 2 map sensors here is bad, because the chances of both of them going bad at the same time is near impossible. So I've got a new one right here. And I wanna take this thing, so we're gonna see if we can do this in 20 minutes, because that's how long I have until I have to leave. And we're just gonna get after it. I think it's the left one, because when I scanned the car, most of the codes were coming from the left side, so I'm gonna try this one first.
Thankfully for me, these cars are built as race cars, so they come apart so easily. A little dirty, not terrible. I got some new K&N filters to put in there, so that's cool. All right, old, new, that slides on there. Bing, bang, boom. Now, if this doesn't work, unfortunately, I probably ran out of time, so I'll have to take the NSX instead, which I'm not complaining about at all, but I at least wanted to see if this works beforehand so I could take it.
Old, new, let's see if it works.
So I got my check engine light on still, but the car appears to be running smoother. I'm gonna wait for the air compressor to kick off and then I'll know for sure. I think we're fixed, boys. It feels good.
Hell yeah.
Nice and relaxed, baby. There it is.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be so cool.
Boom. Yeah.
Here we go. So for context, this is Chadon, the boatman. He would be the one that would transport you basically to heaven or hell. And gonna have a couple skulls on the tricep. Might throw in a couple coins in there because you'd have to pay him to get to where you need to go. Super cool. Matches the Roman vibe that I have going on here. We'll have a full sleeve, baby. This is the first time I've ever used numbing cream, and it's actually pretty insane. Like, I don't feel anything at all in my arm. We're just chilling.
Chilling.
We're watching Papa Meat.
That's it.
Papa Meat's a goat. All right, little update here. Oh boy. He's getting the back, like the tricep right now. Dying. But it's coming out sick. The shading on it is super, super cool. I love it. All right, we're finally finished. It was an 8-hour session and it turned out phenomenal. It's really hard to see, but I will show you guys once I have the wrapping off. But it is by far the best piece that I have on my arm. And that is a completed sleeve, boys. I'm so pumped.
We got a fucking basketball hoop now, boys. Oh, my ride's arrived.
You want to put these in your office?
Yeah. What is it? Oh my gosh. She got me snacks. She got me snacks. Ooh. Thank you.
It's a few days later after getting the tattoo and I'm still recovering a little bit, kind of in that after tattoo phase, but we are heading out to Orlando because Tiago finished up the Century and I'm excited to see it. It's gonna look amazing. Hi.
Hey.
How are you? How did you enjoy Sam's Club today? She went to Sam's Club for the first time.
It was magical.
Yeah?
It wasn't my first time.
No? Would have been mine.
This is so awkward.
I can say with full confidence, I have not seen this car this clean since Aiden detailed it like 2 years ago. This is incredible. And to know that there's STEK film on the entire front end on every single little piece, you went to every length and got every single little piece.
Yeah.
It's incredible, dude.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we covered as much as possible. Whole hood, bumper, headlights, mirrors, fenders.
Everything.
Yeah.
He was showing me all the little areas, like getting up and down and even around the very bottom of the hood here. Did my headlights for me. He even polished the pole, the parking pole for me. He did the fronts of the mirrors, the bottoms, popped the mirrors off. The corner markers he popped off. He was able to do the entire front bumper in one piece, which is insane.
Yeah,
I could
that was
never.
the hardest part to do the front bumper.
When I wrapped Sam's car, I know wrap is a little bit different than PPF, but I wanted to scream basically when I tried to wrap her car. But I mean, you could never tell that there's PPF on this at all. The line work is beautiful.
Yeah.
Like, you did such a good job there.
Yeah, thank you so much. And you can see, for example, the doors that you don't have PPF and the fenders, you don't see any
No, there's visibly
texture, no difference at all.
The entire car is just one gigantic mirror. It's actually insane, and I feel horrible having to drive it home in the rain right now.
Yeah.
It's like, it hasn't rained in weeks, and then the one time that I have to drive a nice car home, it's like, it's gonna rain.
Yeah, but the good thing, this PPF has ceramic coating fused, so the water just repels. So when you arrive, if it's not raining anymore, you will not be able to see any water on the car.
That's amazing. Because I know a lot of the cars that he does, like he said, are computer cuts. This is all hand done. Completely hand do this car. There was no computer work.
Yeah, correct. 100%.
Yeah.
Normally, we do a lot of brand new cars, so
Yeah.
the computer cut.
You can get the files easily.
Yeah,
Cars
and
like that.
on this case, we don't need to remove any parts because the cuts are made to make our life easier.
Yeah.
So we don't need to remove anything, but on this one, to get a cleaner look, to avoid any seams, we prefer to remove a few parts.
And he was telling me how he got into each seam so you don't see any seam on any part basically at all. Like if I was to pop the hood, you'd probably be able to see, but you can't see at all from the outside of the car. This I just can't get over this. I'm kind of at a loss for words, honestly.
That's good. That's good.
I'm so happy to see it this clean because I drive this car so much and it stays dirty a lot more than I wish. And to see it this clean again, just kind of like breathe life back into it for me. Like I'm so pumped about this. That and to know that my front bumper is not going to get absolutely destroyed by rock chips anymore, and the hood and everything. You did an amazing job.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, dude.
I appreciate it.
I'm slowly getting drawn to this LC500 that's in the background as well because this is one of my favorite cars as well, and I don't want to go into it too much because I'll just talk endlessly about it, but I want to give STEK and Tiago at Detail Ground a huge thank you.
Thank you.
Because without them, this would not have happened. And now I have a fully protected front end, and it's the best of the best. And it really doesn't get any better than this, aside from doing the entire car. But this thing is a limousine and would probably take you a very long time to do. So, like I said earlier in the video, if you guys want any paint protection for your cars, click the link in the description, check out STEK PPF. They're the best of the best. If you guys are in Orlando and you need PPF work done, you guys know where to go. You guys need to go to Detail Ground.
Thanks so much.
Come visit Tiago, check out his stuff. He's always got some really cool stuff here, and he does phenomenal work.
Thank you for trusting us, this beauty.
Yeah.
It was a really fun project.
Thanks, dude. Well, this is definitely a fun little departure from the usual Del Sol content that's been coming out lately. I haven't made a video with the Century in so long, and this one was well deserved. I love this car so much, and I drive it every single day, and to know that it is fully protected and ready for all the miles ahead is just incredible. Now, I know visually there really isn't much of a difference, but to know that the protection is there is the important part, and gives me peace of mind to be able to tailgate all the slow moms out there. I'm just kidding, but am I? Get out the way. This car's special. It's special to me. It deserves to be protected. And now it has the best of the best paint protection film there is out there. So once again, I want to give a huge thank you to STEK USA as well as Detail Ground for being able to work with me on this and get this done. Now that I have the Century back and it's looking beautiful, I think it's time that it gets its own little mini feature on the channel. I haven't made a car feature video in ages, and I've really been itching to do it again. You know what I mean, those 1 to 2 minute long car feature videos that used to be incredibly popular on YouTube, and then the vlog era took over and now they're less popular. I want to make more, so I think this car is up next. I don't know when I'm gonna drop it. I'm just gonna film it and release it randomly one day, but it's gonna be sick. And I've got a mountain of parts coming for the Del Sol, so hopefully we can get that thing started in the next video and hear the K24 for the very first time, because I'm very excited for it. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. Click the link in the description, protect your car, and I will see you in the next one.